is Senzo Zulu. I'm from Nongoma. Uh, I'm going to share my poem with you, which says My Hero, which I wrote a few years back. Oh, okay. The poem goes like, My hero. When I take my pen, something says, Hey, you boy, what are you trying to do? Can't you see this is not for you? Being an author is not who you are. Who said that? Looking around the house. But I was all alone, only my mind playing games with me. It was my left brain telling me negative stuff, making me doubt myself. But if I close my eyes, watch my thoughts as they come and go, and pretend like I'm sleeping, I saw these thoughts and words fighting, and I ridiculed. The valleys and mountains echo. Something at the back of my mind says, Go on, young man, go on. Your name will be recorded in the history books of this country one day. Who said that? Looking around, but I was all alone. It was my thoughts, fighting one another. The confusion began. One day there was this Koko who said to me, You have to use your right brain. That tells you the positive things. Forget about left brain, which tells you negative stuff. That Koko was Felicity Kids. Oh, thank you, Felicity Kids. You are my hero. Now my pen dances non-stop. Thank you. You are my hero, a lifesaver.